Hi.
Sorry, a turquoise shirt and what, Lucas?
And blue shorts.
And blue shorts. Very good. Aspen, are you all rainbowy?
Mm-hmm.
What do you have?
My rainbow dress, my bracelet,
Oh,
and my hair elastic.
awesome. Awesome. Well, I have my mask. Orange mask. I'm gonna take it off because it's getting hot. And I have my green headband, my blue shirt, and my red shirt over top of that. And then I borrowed Riley's rainbow pants. Can you see those?
Yep.
So I'm very rainbowy. It feels like a fun thing to do on the last day of school. What about you?
Yeah.
I think you guys made a good choice. Rainbow day. Riley's not very rainbowy. She just went upstairs. I think she has a Google Meet too. I'm wondering if maybe we'll get a couple more people on because Rustum's usually here. Ooh, what's that?
A poop.
A poop. Where are you guys getting these rainbow poops?
Flipper.
Oh, very cute. Ah, I'm surprised Riley hasn't found those things. She loves bright colors. Hi, Rustum.
Hi, Mr. Fournier.
You're looking very colorful.
Thank you.
So is it Anahita? What else? I can't see the top of your head. What do you have in your hair?
I have pencil.
Ah, you never know when you need a pencil. It's good to have one, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ha.
Also, my sister.
Oh, rainbow heart.
Mm-hmm.
That's a tattoo? Or did she draw it?
No, she draw it. I have these pens which she gives me for my